How do ethics and law relate to each other in the 21st century? Have you ever wondered how ethics and law work together in our modern world? The relationship between these two concepts is fascinating and important. Ethics refers to the moral principles that guide our understanding of right and wrong. These principles are often shaped by cultural norms and philosophical beliefs. On the other hand, law consists of formal rules created and enforced by governments to regulate behavior in society. In the 21st century, the connection between ethics and law is becoming more complex. Ethics often serve as the foundation for laws. Many laws reflected widely accepted moral standards. For example, laws against theft and violence are rooted in ethical beliefs about protecting individuals and property. However, ethics cover a broader scope of human behavior, especially in areas where laws may not yet exist or are unclear. Take the rise of technology, for instance. Issues like artificial intelligence, genetic engineering, and data privacy present ethical dilemmas that current laws do not fully address. In these situations, ethical considerations guide behavior beyond what is legally required. They can even inspire the creation of new laws to tackle these emerging challenges. As technology advances and the world becomes more interconnected, the interaction between ethics and law intensifies. Legal professionals now face ethical responsibilities in digital environments. They must protect client data from cyber threats and ensure confidentiality in cloud-based systems. This shift requires a new level of competence in technology as part of ethical legal practice. Globalization adds another layer of complexity. Lawyers and organizations often encounter conflicting legal standards and ethical expectations across different countries. This can make compliance and moral decision-making challenging. Moreover, ethical considerations play a significant role in shaping laws. Recent legislative acts focused on judicial ethics and anti-corruptions show how moral concerns can lead to new legal standards. These changes aim to enhance transparency and trust in institutions. In areas like environmental protection and workplace equality, ethical values often drive organizations and governments to adopt stricter policies than those required by law. This reflects society's demand for greater moral accountability. While laws can be enforced through courts and penalties, ethics relying on personal conscience and social pressures. This means that some legal actions may be lawful but ethically questionable. Such situations spark debates about reform and the role of ethics in creating just laws. In summary, ethics and law in the 21st century are interconnected yet distinct. Ethics provide the moral framework that informs the creation and application of laws, especially in new and complex areas. Meanwhile, laws formalize certain ethical principles to maintain order and justice. Together, they help individuals and societies navigate the challenges of modern life while balancing moral integrity and legal obligation.